Okay, so today's lesson is 3.5, fractions and decimal equivalent. So you're going to find in your directions, write each fraction as a decimal. So here's your steps. Divide the numerator by the denominator. Divide to the thousands place value, round to the hundreds. Go ahead and push pause, and then when you're ready, go ahead and push play to see how to do this. So here's your first example, 5/9. So I had already shown you how to know what is inside the box and what is on the outside. So you're going to divide 5's inside and 9's outside. Here's a common mistake that a lot of students think, that just because the 9 is bigger, that's going to go inside and the 5 is on the outside. And we're starting to work with problems that are less than a whole number. So 9 does not go into 5 at all, so you have to put a decimal. And you always add 3 zeros after that decimal. Whether you need it or not, always put that 3 zeros. Once you're done with the 3 zeros, you're going to bring that decimal straight up so you don't forget your decimal. Now you're going to divide. 9 goes into 50 5 times. 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract, and you get 5. Bring down the next 0. 9 goes into 50 5 times. 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract, and you get a 5. Bring down the last 0. 9 goes into 50 5 times. 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract, and you get 5 again. Okay, there's nothing else to bring down, so we are done with dividing. Next part says round to the nearest hundredths. So this 5 is going to tell this 5 to go up. And I always remember as if it's 5, where you have 5 fingers on your hand and you raise your hand. So any numbers 5 and above, you always, the next number, they're going to tell it to go up. So this would go up as 0.56 because this 5 tells this 5 to go up by one number. Okay. Let's look at number 2, 11/12. So 11 is inside and 12's on the outside. Put the decimal and 3 zeros. And don't forget to add that decimal in your answer. Now you're going to divide. 12 goes into 11. Let's see, 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18, carry the 1. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 more is 108. Subtract, and you get 2. Bring down the next 0. 12 goes into 20 once. 1 times 12 is 12. Subtract, and you'll get 8. Bring down the last 0. 12 goes into 80 6 times. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 more is 7. It'll be 72. Subtract, and you get the answer of 8. But now we're done. This 6 is going to tell this 1 to go up, because remember, it's 5 or more, the next number goes up. So the answer is 0.92. Alright, so what I'd like you to do is try number 3 on your own, and when you're ready, go ahead and press play. Alright, so 6/5, since I'm running out of room here, I'm going to write 6